Continuum theory. The Tannenbaum and Schmidt continuum is a simple model of leadership theory which shows the relationship between the level of freedom that a manager chooses to give to a team and the level of authority used by the manager. As the team's freedom is increased, so the manager's authority decreases. This is a positive way for both teams and managers to develop. When examining and applying the Tannenbaum and Schmidt principles, it's extremely important to remember, irrespective of the amount of responsibility and freedom delegated by a manager to a team, the manager retains accountability for any catastrophic problems that result. Delegating freedom and decision-making responsibility to a team absolutely does not absolve the manager of accountability. That's why delegating, whether to teams or individuals, requires a very grown-up manager. If everything goes well, the team must get the credit. If it all goes horribly wrong, the manager must take the blame. This is entirely fair because the manager is ultimately responsible for judging the seriousness of any given situation, including the risks entailed and the level of freedom that can safely be granted to the team to deal with it. This is not actually part of the Tannenbaum and Schmidt continuum, but it's vital to apply this philosophy or the model will definitely be weakened or at worst completely backfire. Here are the Tannenbaum and Schmidt continuum levels of delegated freedom with some added explanation that should make it easier to understand and apply. So number 1, the manager decides and announces the decision. The manager reviews options in light of aims, issues, priorities, timescale, etc., then decides the action and informs the team of the decision. Number 2, the manager decides and then sells the decision to the group. Number 3, the manager presents the decision with background ideas and invites questions. Number 4, the manager suggests a provisional decision and invites discussion about it. Number 5, the manager presents the situation or problem, gets suggestions, then decides. Number 6, the manager explains the situation, defines the parameter, and asks the team to decide. Number 7, the manager allows the team to identify the problem, develop the options, and decide on the action within the manager's received limits.